What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to send crypto from Coinbase to Bitget wallet. So you might be wondering, how do you exactly send crypto from your Coinbase account to Bitget wallet? Well, in this case, this one is going to be very easy. So in this case, first things first is you want to access your Bitget account here, and you want to get the address or the crypto address they want to receive here. So in this case, let's go and click on our wallet at the top right here, and let's go and choose POP. And in here, let's go ahead and basically click on the option here that says deposit, since we want to receive crypto. And in here, what we need to do is we just need to choose our cryptocurrency. So example, maybe I want to send like Solana. Let's go and choose Solana here. And from here, you want to choose your network. And in order for you to receive cryptocurrency, you may need to verify yourself here. So just click on verify here and proceed with the process. But typically speaking, in the deposit section here, you should be able to get your address. But once you've got that, let's head over into Coinbase. Now, in your Coinbase account, what we need to do is you want to go to the bottom right of your screen here and just click on the send crypto option. And from here, you want to go and click on your Coinbase wallet here. But yeah. In here, what we need to do is you want to go and just select or search for the cryptocurrency that you want to send here. So in this case, we want to receive Solana. So go ahead and choose that. Now, in this case, this is what you'll be seeing next. So just specify the amount that you want to basically receive. And also, if you click on the to section here, what you'll be seeing is going to be this pop-up here. So just enter the address that you copied before and just select it appearing in here. Now, next is you just need to confirm a few things. Just click on preview send here. Now, just confirm the address here. Make sure the address actually matches. And also the network. So if you're using Solana network, make sure to use Solana network with this transaction as well. And review the network fee as well. And the send time here. Then just click on send now if you're sure. Now, your transaction may be received around like 1 to a few seconds. So it depends on the congestion here. Sometimes it may take more like 30 minutes. So just wait for it. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.